Hey guys, DT Rockstar 1 here. Let's take a quick listen to a unicorn coming to life. So the XJ220 might not sound like a Ferrari 355 or an LFA or a Zonda or anything like that, but for the 90s it was still a pretty damn good sounding car. And the other thing that makes it really special is how often do you get to hear an XJ220 come to life? Even online, it's hard to come by. So it's kind of like if I walked up to you and said, "Hey, check this out," and I showed you a pile of sand, and you're like, "What the hell is the big deal about that?" Well, what if I told you that this pile of sand came from the surface of Mars? All of a sudden, it's exciting, and it's the same thing with this car. Is that it's not so much the sound that's exciting; it's where the sound is coming from. You're actually hearing an XJ220 come to life, which is a pretty special thing. And that's why my good friend Josh Beasley calls me the curator, because I'm always looking after all these unicorn cars, and I'm always trying to show you the rarest, the unappreciated, the unknown, just all the cars that you don't see online all the time. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.